A cinematic design usually starts with depth long before effects are added. Today, how to explore cinematic visual layering. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Select a dark charcoal background and apply a soft radial gradient for atmosphere. Insert one wide rectangular frame across the center of the canvas and upload your main image. Adjust the crop carefully so the subject becomes the focal point. Duplicate the frame twice and place both copies behind the original. Increase the size of each duplicate slightly and lower their transparency progressively to create smooth layered depth. Add a smaller square frame overlapping one corner and place a supporting image inside.